Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to my channel. Chinese Lunar New Year is just around the corner on February the 1st, and this coming up weekend is the last weekend before our New Year. I thought in today's video I'm going to share with you guys some etiquettes and some things that you need to pay attention when you are 拜年, which means pay a New Year call or New Year's greetings. Now 拜 literally means to bow at something. 年 means year, so this word literally means bow to the new year. But actually, instead of bow to the new year, you're actually semi-bowing to your friends and relatives, and particularly your parents. So we say that as 拜年. Now, when do people 拜年? Traditionally, of course, is when the new year, when the nian started, and that is at the first day of the new year. But then you can always do prior that, right? And when you were doing that prior the New Year's Day, we call it as 拜早年, 拜早年. So it's like an early, right? An early season's greetings, an early New Year's greetings. Now, in that sense, do we have a late season's greetings? Yes, and we call that as 拜晚年. 拜晚年. Pretty easy to remember, right? Now, a little bit etiquette about how to 拜年. Usually, we form a fist with your right hand and then use your left hand to cover the right hand. So you do this. While you're doing that, you are kind of semi-bowing, but not so crazy as, for example, the Japanese etiquette when they bow like this. We don't do that. It's just like kind of like showing your respect to other people, and that's okay. So when you're 拜年, you would usually say 给您拜年了,给您拜年了, which is to say happy season's greetings, happy New Year's greetings to you, and 您 here is a respect way of saying that. Besides this, there are some other different ways. Here is a picture of some renowned news anchors in China, and you can see their hand gestures vary. Why? Because if you're a female, you could also do this. It's called 压手, okay? So that is also a way of greetings. When you're 压手as a female, you put your right hand on top of your left hand. So that is the slightly different way. Traditionally in China, if you are forming your hand like this, you are sending the auspicious kind of message. You definitely put your left hand on top of your right hand. However, if you did it the wrong way, that means someone has passed away and you have bad news to announce. So that is something that I think everyone should pay attention to. But other than that, I hope you guys all have fun 拜年. If you do live in China, you will see a lot of people doing this and just say 给您拜年了. And if it's these couple of days, you will see people say 拜个早年. If you like today's video, feel free to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!